Welcome to this video showcasing some of the new Floscript features in Simcenter Flotherm 2019.2. Floscript enables automation within Flotherm and can be accessed in the Macro tab. This particular script will be used to search a model for different geometry types and output different CSV files. Firstly, the Floscript is recorded. Following this, the Find tool is brought up and used to search for enclosures and monitor points. Once found, a selection of tables are chosen and are then exported as CSV files. The exported CSV files are created in the destination folder as shown on screen. Once completed, the Floscript is stopped and can be applied to any model. Playing the Floscript created onto a different model will output the same CSV files, as there are enclosures and monitor points present. However, there are no enclosures in this model, so only the monitor point table is exported. Thank you for watching this video. For more information, please visit our website.